Welcome back to the channel, my beautiful people. I trust that everyone is having a wonderful day today. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. My name is Dwight. It's a great pleasure to have you here today. So, guys, if it's your first time on the channel, I welcome you. And if you're returning, welcome back, man. I have to say. Now, I'm going to be listening to a song today by Beastie Boys, Make Some Noise. And I want you guys to join me in listening to this song. So, guys, 2023, who is listening to Make Some Noise by Beastie Boys? Me! Yeah, alright. So, this is first time I'm hearing this song. I've never heard this one before. So, I'm excited to see how this one goes. I know you guys have been saying more Beastie Boys. Now, since I don't know about the Beastie Boys, I didn't know which video to listen to. So, I chose this one, and I hope it's a good one. Alright, so I'm excited to see how this one goes. So guys, without further ado, let's just get right to it. That's not hip hop. That's hardcore, man. Woo! Make some noise!
Woo! Let's get some more beer, eh, boys?
Man, there were so many hot chicks at that party.
Yeah.
I thought that was a
Too bad they
song.
ran out of brews. Now the party's over.
So bodega. Shit, we're close. Should we grab some breakfast while they wait for them to open, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bad.
Oh, hey, what's up? Want to get some pizza?
You wish, turkeys.
Tally ho!
What's wrong with you, dude? But he just said, let's have some breakfast, man. To wait for the store to open. This guy is crazy. Oh, it's my guy. Look at the blings.
Here we go. There you go,
I want to hear what he sounds like.
Yes, here we go again, give you more, nothing less. Back on the mic is the antidepressant. Rock, no pressure, yes, we need this. The best is yet to come in, yes, believe this. Echo, my echo, while I flex my ego. Sip on Prosecco, dressed up tuxedos in my coffin playing Keno. In the casino, want a lucky number, ask Mike Dino.
I'm on a competition like a flamethrower. My rhymes age like wine as I get older. I'm getting older, competition is waning. I got the ball and I see the lane in. We got a party on the left, a party on the right. We want a party for the left and right to fight. Make some noise if you want it. Make some noise if you want
Car resurrection, popular election, get paid every year like tax collection. Hear my perfection, rotary connection, taking MC stand by lethal rap rejection.
When I get pissed, you want to drink, it's easy, lift the drink and you got lifted. And sifted, I'm just ripping when I catch MCs, it's time for wing clipping.
I fly like a hawk, or better yet an eagle, a seagull, sniff suckers out like a beagle. My ego is off and running and going, cause I'm about the best and the best and that's
We
more.
got a party on the left, a party on the right, we got a party for
Oh man, I don't know, man. This is one of the sickest videos ever, man. Oh, all right, and one thing about Beastie Boys, when the track starts, it starts off loud, guys, and it starts with a bang, and I love that. I love that. I discovered this song today, and I instantly, I love it. I love the video. I love the video, and this is one I'm gonna go back and just look at for a laugh. Ay, ay, ay. Alright guys, I'm gonna bring this back and let's continue watching.
is on and running and going. Cause I'm about the best and if you're best and that's more. We got a party on the left, a party on the right, we got a party for the mother right to right. Make some noise if you do it.
I'm so glad, man, this guy's put it out there.
Pass me the scalpel, I'm making a decision. I'm cutting off the part of your brain that does the food. Put it in formaldehyde and put it on a shelf. And you can show it to your friends and say that's my own self.
Can't do me nothing, can't tell me nada. Don't bug me now because I'm doing the lambada. Jump a big dance, here's my chance to make romance in my B-boy stance. Parlay romancing, in the financing. Open up a restaurant with tech dancing. The roaches check in, but they never check out. I set the record straight, no doubt.
Now, you know what is fascinating? You know the way, just listen to the way hip hop was back in those days, man, and how cool it was. And listen to the modern hip hop. Nah, I could dig this 1,000 times. And guys, you know, I don't dig hip hop, man, but I dig the Beastie Boys, man. I just love these guys. All right, I'm gonna bring this back and let's go to you watch it. So catchy. Party over here. What's happening there? What's happening there? What is happening there? What, it's just a stand. It's a standoff. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow, guys, and I'm gonna tell you right now. Now, nothing beats listening to some good old Beastie Boys. I love it. I love it. I was introduced to Beastie Boys by Dice Reacts, and guys, I don't regret it at all. I don't regret it. You know, these guys are great. I love the way they flow. It's different to the hip hop. Is different to what we have right now, and that just makes this fascinating, man. All right, so guys, this is where I come to the end of this reaction. I hope you enjoy the reaction. I hope you enjoy the Beastie Boys. So if you do, please guys support, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends and your family. And make sure you hit that notification bell. You know, this is definitely going to help us out on our channels. Alright, so feel free, guys, to engage with the audience. Leave your suggestions. You know, this is what we're all about here. See you back on the channel. Have yourselves a wonderful day. Stay safe out there, guys, and share the love, not the hate. Peace out. Till next time. I love you guys.